Kweth jotelo mag Kenya Kwanza mawuok nyandwat mar Hoho mar Okako kwedo ng'eto mar do ewi kweth mathoth e od bura mamalo ka giwacho ni ng'eto ma kamano obiro sama ok owinjore ma piny Kenya dhi nyime gi chenro mamoko. Kolose kinde ik mar min Solomon Letangule gweng'a ma Marigat kar chung' od bura ma Baringo South. Jod bura ma Marakwet West Timothy Kipchumba okoni ng'eto ma kamano kal kod sa kendo en mana gima ber e andika maonge mise nikech piny osedhi e nyime. Wechego bende ne osir gi jaod bura ma Baringo North Joseph Makelab.
Tuliona High Court ya Kenya ikitoa a decision ya kwamba ati Azimio is the majority party in parliament. Sisi tumeshangazwa sana kwa sababu, and I want to say this in that decision, in regard to that decision is only good on paper. It is not practical. It has been overtaken by events. Kwa sababu wakati tulikuwa bunge na Wetangula akasema kwamba it is the majority, ya kwamba Kenya Kwanza is the majority party, hii mambo ya broad based government haikuwa imeanzishwa na rais wetu William Ruto.
Yes, it is a correct ruling. It is justice. At that time of 2022, when we were opening parliament, the 13th parliament, that was right at that time. But after that, this ruling is overtaken by events. Hii ruling isha mambo mingi imebadilika mbaya sana. Mpaka saa hii tuko na mandugu kama Mbadi, tuko Mbadi na Junet Mohamed ambaye mimi mwanafikiri ndaenda unarasha huko saa hii niko ndani na sisi. Sasa Kenya ilibadilika kitambo, and parliament moved on and Kenya moved on.